Hello, my name is Nikhil Kant, and this is my self-improvement through nutrition video. So my purpose statement. My purpose statement is I chose to eat fruits and vegetables at least twice a day to eat healthier and to improve on my mood and energy. And for my demonstration of activity, I have various pictures of the various food items I ate throughout this course. In the top left, you see ratatouille, which is made out of all vegetables, zucchini, tomatoes, eggplant, red bell pepper, and even though it's all vegetables, it tasted really nice. And then in the middle are an example of a snack I ate. I ate some watermelon and fresh strawberries. And on the right, I made fajitas, which incorporates many vegetables through the avocados and the guacamole, the tomatoes, and the onions and green bell peppers, and the top picture of the screen for the fajitas. And then here's some more examples. I had a Publix sub, which had various vegetables of lettuce, pickles, tomatoes, onions. And also on the left, I had mozzarella with some tomatoes you see, and then also some green herb vegetables up there. And then I also kept a food log to keep myself accountable with what fruits and vegetables I wrote down each day. And also so I can look back and see what I ate. I ate some celery with peanut butter, some salad, some strawberries, some grapes, and this was nice. For my pre and post results, I ate fruits and vegetables only two to three times a week beforehand, and I often ate more fruits and vegetables, and I was also very tired and lethargic. But for my post results, I eat fruits and vegetables almost every day now. I feel more energized, I feel happier, and I noticed a change in my health for the better, and I also want to continue eating fruits and vegetables almost every day, too. For my resources, I used the CDC, MyPlate, and Harvard, and I used all of these to help make sure my diet was balanced with fruits and vegetables. I was eating enough, and I wasn't overeating with them, and also to get a general idea about what fruits and vegetables do for the body. For my self-reflection, I learned that fruits and vegetables have a variety of health benefits to you. And I also learned that they're tasty to eat and they're very easy to make, and you can easily incorporate them into your everyday life. And moving forward, I want to continue trying to eat fruits and vegetables at least twice a day, and maybe even more. And I also want to eat fruits and vegetables with new recipes too, with new smoothies, new bowls, and any new way I can eat them. And that is it. Thank you.